Hey everyone, super excited for today's unboxing. We've got the brand new Google Pixel Buds Pro 2. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Let's check out what's inside the box together. First impression, the packaging looks sleek and minimal. Opening it up, here are the earbuds in hazel. They look so stylish and premium right out of the box. You also get a charging case, USB-C cable, and extra tips. Let's take a closer look at the earbuds themselves. They're incredibly small and lightweight in hand. The finish feels smooth and the color is gorgeous. Now let's try the twist-to-adjust stabilizer feature. Twisting them in, they lock securely. No slipping at all. I can already tell these won't budge during workouts. Let's see how comfortable they feel for daily use. Honestly, they're super comfy, barely notice them. Now time to pair with my Pixel phone. Super quick setup. Bluetooth connection is instant, no delays or hassle. Let's test the sound quality with my favorite playlist. Wow, the bass is powerful thanks to the 11mm drivers. Treble is crisp and clear, vocals sound amazing. The soundstage feels immersive, like being at a concert. Now let's try the Active Noise Cancellation feature. Switching it on, outside noise just disappears. It's noticeably quieter, twice as much noise blocked. That's the Tensor A1 chip working its magic. Even in a noisy environment, music stays crystal clear. Let's test the conversation detection feature. I start talking, music pauses, transparency mode activates. I can hear my surroundings without removing the buds. Super convenient when chatting or ordering coffee. Switching back, music resumes automatically. No need to fumble with controls or take them out. Let's see how they hold up during a quick workout. Jumping, running, these buds stay perfectly in place. No discomfort, no slipping, even when I sweat. The secure fit really makes a difference for fitness. Battery life is impressive, lasts all day easily. Quick charge gives hours of playtime in minutes. Touch controls are responsive and easy to use. I can adjust volume, skip tracks, or answer calls. Google Assistant integration is seamless and fast. Just say, "Hey Google" for hands-free help anytime. Call quality is clear even in windy conditions. The built-in mics pick up my voice perfectly. Let's talk about comfort again. No ear fatigue at all. I've worn these for hours, still feel great. The twist-to-adjust feature really customizes the fit. Hazel color looks unique and stands out from the crowd. Charging case is compact, fits easily in my pocket. Magnets snap the buds in securely every time. LED indicator shows battery status at a glance. Pairing with other devices is just as easy. Multi-point connectivity lets me switch between devices. Perfect for work, gym, or just relaxing at home. If you're a music lover, the sound will blow you away. Fitness enthusiasts will love the secure, comfy fit. Tech fans, the Tensor chip and AI features are next level. Transparency mode is a game changer for daily life. No more awkward moments taking earbuds out to talk. ANC is so good I can focus anywhere, anytime. If you have a Pixel phone, these are a perfect match. But they work great with any Bluetooth device too. Only downside, you might never want to take them off. For me, these are the most comfortable earbuds I've tried. Sound quality, fit, and smart features are top-notch. If you want premium wireless earbuds, look no further. Check out the Google Pixel Buds Pro 2 in hazel. Link in the description, don't miss out. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments.